takeoff.
Okay, here we go.
The home point has been updated. Please
Was a little
check it on the
lost,
map.
and I'm relying on the drone entirely to figure out this little spot. This is the West Medicine Bowe-Routt Mountains, and I stayed a night already on the lower elevation. You can see the snow lining the trees, and this is the morning. This is the afternoon sun. And I'm just trying to figure out, like, what's all around, because walking around really isn't going to help much. I'm just seeing more trees. So I got up to, what, over 410, 400. That compass interference, I don't understand fully. But you can see there's I didn't see any lakes, plenty of snow piles, lots of hills, and it's a little discouraging. Saw that house, wanted to focus on the house. Take a look around, see how they access it from my car, which is showing up, yeah, straight, almost in the center. See roads that go all around, wide roads, narrow roads. Just trying to figure out, well, I just wanted to record everything, and then I'd look at it later, like I'm doing right now. And then this is a good surprise, to see that circle road off in the distance there. I like that. That's something I could walk to from my car. I even measured to make sure my car is right there. I already walked to that one first cabin, so I knew this circle lot was not that far. And then you could see the access was, you don't have to take the highway to get there. You could take that back road. And then, yeah, I'm satisfied with what I see and start lowering the drone down, having a little fun with it here. I like the circle shots going around and around as I'm going down. It feels like it's like spiraling out of control. Compass interference again. Seems like every other time I fly this thing, I gotta do a compass recalibration, and it gets me dizzy every time. If you know how that thing works, it's a pretty distance. But all it is trees, hills, and trees, but it's a great elevation. I mean, yeah, you see I got 400 elevation. That's 400 from almost 10,000 elevation. It's pretty nice. Nice. It was nice, cool. Unlike here, this is only where I'm at 6,000 elevation. Yeah, and that's it.
Landing.